Then labor. So economical factors, the first one is capital, second one is labor. So the quality rather than quantity of labor is very, very important. I have 1,000 employees, but they are technically weak means it is useless to have 1,000 employees who are technically weak. But I have 10 employees who are very strong means those 10 employees are very much beneficial to a company than 1,000 employees. Okay. So the labor, when you talk about labor, the quality is very, very important, not the quantity of labor. So the quality of labor will influence the emergence of entrepreneurship. So the entrepreneurs, if they have a very good technical people in their team, then that is going to boost them technically, and they are going to ensure that the company is going to go in a positive side. And from the quality of the labors, you can have entrepreneurs budding there itself. Even some people in your company may become entrepreneurs because of their technical skills. So it is going to benefit you as well as the country. Low cost labor or less mobile or immobile. So nowadays India is a potential market for all the IT and other things because we offer low cost labor. So low cost labor in some countries they are less mobile or immobile. Okay, they cannot move from country to country, and they cannot give their service. Even construction business we see, right? In construction business, low cost labor. So we are transporting people from North India to our place to build a building. So sometimes these low cost labor or less mobile, they may not be free to come here and work, or immobile. They don't want to come and work. Non-availability of skilled or trained labor. So sometimes the specific requirements of skills which you want for your labor is not available. So you have to compromise and you have to see what skills are available, and with that how you can manage. So non-availability of skilled labor is a very serious problem which is degrading the progress nowadays, because the area of the work available in India is a lot of opportunities are there, but the properly trained or skilled labor is not available for that particular job. Non-adoption of modern technical traditional workers. So traditional workers, they will not be able to traditional workers, they will not be able to adapt to the modern techniques because they are not willing to change or not willing to learn and adapt the modern techniques. So these are the problems faced by the labor side. So quality of labor is very, very important, which is going to influence the entrepreneurship. Low cost labor or immobile or less mobile, non-availability of skilled or trained labor, and non-adoption of modern technique with additional workers. So conventionally, the people who are doing some work, they are not willing to change the modern techniques. They feel that this change may disrupt their flow of work. Okay, that is your economical labor, which is also an economical